Hi, I'm Ganesh and now I'll give you a demo of my project. Uh, First, let me talk about my data set. It has 90 million Lastfm events pre-processed into 1.2 GB of transitions and 1.08 million tracks, jumped at 100K rows to fit 16 GB RAM so it doesn't overload it. Each test has 10 tracks of history and then predict the length, the temporal split, and new data leakage. Now I'll briefly tell you what my LLM prompt was. As you can see here, these were the main four lines. It has RG from with strict candidate constraint, demographics injected conditionally, country, age, gender. There's no imputation, and we skip any missing field. Uh, yeah, that was my uh, the LLM prompt. Yeah. Now I'll tell you about my 3 MCP servers, where JSON RPC Studio. There's user profile, there is session context and track history. Client orchestrates call before LLM prompting, and there's a modular spot track history without touching the orchestrator. That's basically my MCP tool with these three. And this is the third one. Yeah. Also, now let's see what LLM response we are getting. So yeah, as you can see, it has I have used Granite 3.3 API calls, and Felix Funk 5 validates exactly. You can see it's, yeah, exact candidates match. And but the thing is that 95% of the 1500 calls hallucinate. This is caught by post processing, so only 69 valid outputs, but all 69 emphasize top one matches. Now let me tell you my output. One second. As you can see, uh, it is a output of LLM is nearly 38% and for baseline it's 6.4. Uh, for mid-name or p-test we get highly significant number, and whenever the methods disagree, LLM wins 58 times versus uh, it is won by 21 times by the rule-based one. And yeah, I also tried doing the MCP one through the MCP architecture, but for that I got less accuracy, which is maybe I think, yeah, 11%, and the monolithic one, which gets without the MCP server, gets 13.8. So it's worth it for independent scaling in production. Without demographics, uh, we get 0.21 correct out of 500. That is near 69 times worse. LLMs need demographic grounding. Raw knowledge is useless for music recommendation. So yeah, that was my demo. Thank you.